Hello everyone, I am Tamilarasi, Assistant Professor of K.Sc College of Arts and Science for Women, Tiruchengodu. Today we will discuss about the topic Introduction to Python Programming. Then first one is iteration. In Python, iteration refers to the process of repeating a block of code multiple items, typically to process each item in a collection or to execute code until a certain condition in meets. In these conditions, two types for while loop and for loop. While loop execute code repeatedly based on a condition. For loop, iterate over sequence like ranges of collections. Understanding when to use each loop type is crucial for writing efficient code. And then second one, flow control keywords. Flow control keywords are three types. One, break. Second one, continue. And third one, pause. And then first one, break refers to the exits the loop immediately. And second one, continue. Continue, it refers to the skips to next iteration. And then third one, pause. Pause is refers to the placeholder for future code. Next we will discuss the topic fruitful function. Fruitful function is four characters. One, return values. Second one, parameters and scope. Third one, composition. And then fourth one, recursion. And first one, return values are refers to the functions send data back to the callers using the return statement, making them fruitful. And second one, parameters and scope. Parameters and scopes are refers to the local variables exist within functions. Global variables are accessible everywhere. And third one, composition. Composition refers to the combined functions by using one function's output as another's input. And then fourth one, recursion. Recursions are refers to the functions calling themselves to solve problems by breaking them into smaller parts. And next we will continue strings. Strings in Python is a sequence of characters used to represent text. Strings are an immutable data type, meaning that once a string is created, its content cannot be changed directly. Any operation that appears to modify a string actually creates a new string. The strings are immutability. So string slice, immutability, methods and functions, string module. A string slice refers to extract portions of strings, use bracket notation. And then immutability. Immutability refers to the strings cannot be changed after creation, modification create new strings. And third one, methods and functions. Methods and functions refers to the use built-in operations like upper function, split function and then strip function. And fourth one, string module. String module refers to the access contents like axis listers. Next, list. List, it refers to the ordered mutable collections that can store any data type, and like strings, list can be modified in a place. Lists are operations, slice, methods, looping functions are there. So first one is operations. Operations are concatenation and repetition and then indexing. Slice are extract positions using start end step. And third one, methods. Methods are referred to the append, extend, insert, remove and then sort. And fourth one, looping. Looping is iterate using for loops or enumerate. And then list advanced features. Mutability means list can change leading as aliasing. Use list and copy or slicing for cloning parameters. Pass list reference, not copies. And the next one, tuples. Tuples are immutable sequence. A tuple in Python is an ordered, immutable collection of items. It's one of Python's built-in data types used to store collections of data, similar to lists and set and dictionaries. Tuples characteristics: first one, ordered, immutable, and then allow duplicates. Ordered refers to the tuple items have a defined order which is preserved during creation and will not change. Items are indexed starting from 0 for the first item. Immutable: once a tuple is created, its contents cannot be changed. You cannot add, remove, or modify items within a tuple. This immutability is from list which are mutable. Then third one, allows duplicates. Since tuples are ordered and indexed, they can contain duplicate values. Next one is dictionaries. Dictionaries are stored data key value pairs for fast lookups by key access values using dictionary syntax. Dictionary is keywords add, update, delete, check existence. And the next, methods and comprehensions. Dictionaries is list comprehension. Create list consistently with expressions for item in iterable if condition. The next one is files and exception handling. First one is text files. Text files refers to the read and write files using open function, read function, write function, and close function. Next one is format operator. Format operator refers to the use format strings and command line arguments to process dynamic data. And third one is errors and exceptions. Errors and exceptions refers to the handle runtime errors gracefully using try except blocks. And fourth one is modules and packages. Modules and packages are refers to the organized code into reusable modules and import functionality as needed. And next one is command line argument. Command line arguments are Python provides mechanism to handle command line arguments, which are values passed to script when it is executed from a terminal. These arguments allow for customization of program behavior without modifying the source code, enhancing flexibility and reusability. And last one is modules. Modules in Python. A module is a file containing Python definition and statements. Modules key features: code organization, reusability, and then namespace management. Thank you.